Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to cook wild rice plus vegetables. So the method is I'm gonna do a traditional cooking of the wild rice over here, and I'm going to do broccoli and Swiss mushrooms together. Make it creamy using the coconut cream, and I have the rest of the vegetables. That is carrot and spinach plus the corn here, yellow corn if you can see it. Yeah, I'm going to steam those ones, and I'm gonna make a nice meal on this. So on the ingredients, one by one. Broccoli, I have 3 bunches of broccoli. Swiss mushrooms, these are rich in vitamin D, and also I understand it's a fungal. It actually helps fighting fungi in the body, something like that. We have chives. These are just for frying. Onion, tomato as usual, garlic and ginger, my favorite. Carrot, this is for beta carotene. They say it's good for the eyes. Spinach, full of vitamin K and D. And corn. I like this. It's good for to color my dish this afternoon. So first I'm gonna start by chopping the ingredients, and then I start cooking them. So follow me closely and enjoy. Okay, so meanwhile, when I'm chopping the other ingredients, the vegetables, I just want to boil the rice, the wild rice. So what I'm gonna do, wash this rice, put it in the pot. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, this I don't know. This is my first time to use this brand. It's Bovalina. It's an Australian extra virgin olive oil. And then while it's cooking, I'm gonna add some desiccated coconut in it. That is to make it. I love coconut. Make it sweet. I like the taste of coconut. You should try it. Okay, now this wild rice is boiling, and I just added some desiccated coconut. I've already chopped my vegetables, ready to cook, ready to fry. So broccoli, I've just soaked it soaked it in vinegar, just to clean out the chemicals that might be on the vegetables, same as the Swiss mushrooms soaked in red wine vinegar. And I'm ready now to fry and start cooking my nice meal. So first I'm just gonna boil my broccoli, and then set it aside, and then I'll add on top of the Swiss mushroom when it's already cooked, and then cream it with the coconut. I put some coconut cream, and it's gonna be a very nice meal. So just keep watching, stay with me for the best results. Oh, and for the spinach, I'm gonna steam the spinach. That is something for the side, so you'll have a taste later. Yeah, you can only have taste when you are here. Forgot about that. It's so far away from me. But anyway, I'll test this for you. So I decided to do something different. For the carrots, I'm going to fry. I'm frying the carrots, and then I'll add the spinach on top. So my broccoli is boiling just for like few minutes, less than 5 minutes, and yeah, the rice is almost done. So I'll be waiting to fry the rest of the ingredients, the mushrooms, the corn, and then later I'll add the broccoli on top. and add on the coconut cream. So keep watching and enjoy. So yeah, I'm cooking very fast. I'm using the 3 fireplaces. So my carrots, they're almost done. Yeah, they're crunchy. So I'm going to add spinach there. Then on this side, I'm frying the onions and garlic and ginger. Then I'll add my ingredients here, the corn and the Swiss mushrooms. So yeah, that's it. I let them keep on cooking so that I finish on time. So my broccoli was done before, so it's just waiting here. Yeah, looking nice and green, all boiled up. Or just tasting one of them. So I'm going to add spinach on top on the pan. Yeah, it's kind of just to steam it. Yeah, I know it's gonna shrink in a minute. The pan is looking full at the moment, but we'll see at the end how it's gonna be. Yeah, my onions brown. I want them to brown, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So I've added corn and broccoli. Yeah, for the color, looks nice. And on this side, I think for now my veggies are all done. So I'll just reduce the heat, put it on the lowest, and this one is done. So I'll set it aside for serving. Uh, yeah, my rice is almost done. It takes a while to cook wild rice because it's a kind of a grain which it has protein. It takes a while, and this is very nutritious. It's good supplement to the white rice. If you, yeah, it's a bit pricey, but it's worth it. Okay, I've just added the onions. So the next step is to add the coconut cream and let it cook for about 10 minutes or yeah 8 minutes. So I keep on stirring because it's yeah. Then after that I'll add the broccoli. Okay, the last step was to add broccoli on this creamy Swiss mushrooms and uh, corn. So yeah, this is all done, just ready for serving. And I'll add some chives on top. Just yeah, I love chives as well. Then we are ready to eat. So my yeah, this is done now, ready for serving, and my lunch is ready. You are welcome to eat with me virtually. I'm hoping that you're going to try out my recipes. You won't regret it. You love eating vegetables every day. So I've come to the end of my cooking. This is the final result, all served up on my plate. I'm ready to have my lunch. So if you like this video, if you like the ingredients, you can replicate what I've done, cook it and enjoy it. It's a nice meal. So give it a thumbs up, share on, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. Bye bye till next time. See you.